Hey guys, this is Everything Tech, and today I've got a surprise for myself. Basically, I got this nice little PC. Got it on the marketplace here in Holland on marktplaats.nl, and I was thinking about addressing a video about Windows 10. And there are many people who are not familiar with the issues about Windows 10 and why Microsoft at the time gave it away for free. So what I'm going to do is I got this PC for only 60 euros. That is about maybe $70. I have for this PC, I have some, some common information. It's a Intel Core 2 Quad machine. It drives at 2.5 gigahertz and it's a Q8300, and it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. So that's basically not bad for 60 euros. I mean, a quad core is pretty fast. You can still work decently with a quad core, but it only has one hard drive of 500 gigabytes. And if there is something I don't like about having Windows 10, is putting it on a hard drive. So what do you do instead? You buy SSDs, of course. SSDs, yeah. And these puppies, I've showed these guys before. For example, on my NAS, my Synology NAS, I put one of these inside them as well. These things only cost 22 euros, are in our 120 gigabytes of SSD, and they have a mean time before failure of about 2 million hours. Okay, good luck with that. So the point is, if you have an old PC like this, which is maybe 8, 9, maybe 10 years old, and you put this thing in it instead of the hard drive, then you probably have a pretty fast PC. So that is the thing I'm going to show you. So I only need one. I thought these things were at this moment so cheap. I thought, I just buy two, one for reserve. So I put this one away. I opened this one, and let's see. Say some open. Let's see. Always a trick to how to open this stuff. Yeah, I have a very good trick to do this. I have a very good trick. Of course. Works all the time. Yo, we got it. Okay, I got this out of it. Now I'm going to inspect the computer on the inside. Let's see. Let's put this away. These are already loose. Okay, let's put this down here. Now we take this computer and let's see. Yes, it's loose. Okay, I will turn it over now. Let's see, do we have a good image of it? Let's try it. It's not ideal, I know. Yeah. Okay. Let's see, this is the processor. Lots of dust in there. Pity I don't have some of these guys have a high pressurized blower, but I don't. So I usually use a simple paintbrush to remove some of the dust. Blow it away. But this PC is overall not very dusty. So what we got here? We got here the hard drive, 500 gig. That's not so much, but okay. I don't know what brand it is. It is it's a Samsung. It's a Samsung hard drive, you know. And the video card is a point of view GT somewhat. I don't know. Cannot see it. I see the both slots are full. And so that's 4 GB of memory. Probably there can be more in it, but 4 GB is enough. So I need to put in the SSD. So I need my trusted screw collection. So many people think that, you know, SSDs you can put them anywhere. You can throw them loose in your case if you want to. It does not really matter actually. So my idea is to put it directly underneath the card reader here, if this cable is long enough to get there. Yes, it is. You know what? I put this already inside it. Let's see, did I have, yeah, the orientation is okay. Yeah, that's good. Now I need another SATA cable, which I have here also. And let's... Okay, I take out the main drive and I put it in the other one. And I take this one, put it there also, where the drive previously was. Pity I don't have these SATA cables with, you know, these click thingies anymore, but this have to do. Okay, I have to watch my phone because it can only record 10 minutes and then it shuts down. It's very annoying. This Samsung Galaxy S9, and this thing can go in here. Works pretty well. And then I will just put it like just there. And let's see, the only thing I need is 2 tiny screws. Let's see. For SSDs you always need 2 screws with thin wired thread. So that would be, let's see. So while I'm searching, I'm looking at my phone and it's at 8 minutes. I press on stop and we go on again. So we need thin wired thread. Let's see. This requires a little bit of searching. Here I got one. I don't know if you can see this, guys, but this is a thin wired thread. You see? It's very easy to recognize a thick wired one. For example, usually those they use to mount hard drives, they are thick mounted. Oh. Come on. Right, of course. Now it falls back. Crap. And yeah, this is one. And here's another one. Okay. So I have 2 of these. And like I said, an SSD is an item that... Come on, flip case, stay put. An SSD is an item you don't really need to put that, you know. The only thing is just try to find the hole. Trying to find the hole. Found the hole. So apparently if I want to stick it in here, it does not want to go in there. That's crap. How about here? No? Oh man, I don't want to put it on only one screw. I don't like that. Well, like I said, even with one screw it does not go anywhere, so screw it, literally. One screw. No, it's not going anywhere, you see? Well, you cannot see it because now you can see it. You see, it's now here, and although attached with only one screw, it does not go anywhere. So that's basically it. So let's check this, if this is alright, this is mounted correctly. Let's do some cable management if needed. Okay, I could use a zipper. Just to keep these cables together. And these cables as well. So let's take another one. Let's see, this is the cable from the SSD. It does not really go anywhere, but yeah. This is not going anywhere. Maybe these cables, I don't know. Maybe I can well, I can put this zip line underneath this cable. That's the one which is going to the USB connectors on the front. Alright, and let's get through it. Here we go. Much better. I can live with that. And phone says 5 minutes. Okay, that seems like a deal to me. Now let's close this thing up. Where did I put the? Here is the. Let me see. This. Yes, this is the correct orientation, I think. Always this stuff goes difficult for some reason. It does not just slide on. What the? So why does it not slide on? What now? This here, nothing in the way, nothing in the way. These points, okay, it has to. Yeah, it's in there now. Put the screws back. Which of course is also troublesome. Everything is troublesome over here. Always. Okay, that's one screw. Then the other one. Also, what the? It's just like. I don't know. It's like the case is bulging or something. What is wrong with this thing? What is wrong? These cables maybe? Press them a little bit to the back. Maybe this stupid. Nah. I just removed this thing. It's not really necessary. Those funnels are, you know, something from the past. You don't see them that often anymore, even on newer PCs. So I don't need one on this one either. Of course, the last one always gives an issue. Thank you for falling on the ground. Thank you. Okay, maybe now it goes better. This has to fall in that hole, I see. Well, it still is not. This is not clicking in there for some reason. Do I have it backwards somehow? No. This is just a moment. Let's see, this hole has to go in here, but why is this thing so bent that way? Yeah, like that. It has to be like that. Yes, of course. And then, right, here we go. That was the trick. This thing was bent. Okay, problem solved. You see, now the screws and turn in nicely. Properly and nicely. Nicely and properly.